Hi, everyone. Today I will show you fall protection from work at height. Those of you who are new, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks to those who did. Be sure to subscribe to get the next video. Today's video is essential for environment health and safety professionals or who work at height. Let's get started. Today content: fall protection, type of fall protection, safety harness ABC check, important checking point, fall indicator, fall arrestor, retractable lifeline or block, lifeline, safety net, canopy structure, fall protection required when risk of falling at heights of 1.8 meters, 6 feet, or greater when area is not guarded or protected by other fall protection measures. Work at any height in aerial lifts, powered platforms and similar equipment. Include safety harness, lifelines, lanyards, fall arrestor, retractable lifeline or block. Type of fall protection. Above 1.8 meters, 6 feet, require safety harness. Above 6 meters, 20 feet, require safety harness with shock absorber. Safety harness with double lanyard. 2 types. Basic safety harness, when work platform. Multi-purpose safety harness, when work without platform, like as cleaning/painting in work at height. Fall protection above 6 meters, 20 feet, require safety harness with shock absorber. Safety harness wearing after ABC check. Anchorage. Body wear. Connecting device. Important checking point. Safety harness wearing before must check. Safety harness life indicator check. Anchorage must be the strong point. Anchorage must be 2-point. Anchorage must be above on head. The safety harness D-ring should be near your shoulder. The hand can touch the D-ring, it is in the correct position. The belt of the safety harness must be properly tightened, so that the 4 fingers of the hand can easily enter the belt near the thigh. The safety harness rope must be soft. The rope is hard and must not be knotted.
Safety harness fall indicator check before wearing. Safety harness fall indicator check when falling indicator come out. Immediate replace the harness. Fall arrestor, retractable lifeline or block, by fall protection. Lifeline, by fall protection. Double layer safety net. First layer, 2.5 mm braided rope, LG, with 30 mm by 30 mm mesh size. Second layer, monofilament UV stabilized net with welding, grinding splatter resistant. Build a canopy structure to prevent falling objects. Consider additional precautions that will stop the drop and prevent future falling object injuries. Thank you for watching my video so patiently.